Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. I am Engineer Khairul Alam, Certified Lead Auditor of ISO 9001 2015. I have been working as a consultant of ISO 9001 Quality Management System since 2007 for last 18 years in different business organizations in Bangladesh. I write quality management system manual, documentation, records. I'm giving training to all business process development. I write a standard operating procedure, wastage reduction plan, continuous improvement plan, quality policy. Thank you very much for watching this video. ISO 9001 discuss about the quality management system, quality of the products. What is quality? Quality means meeting customer requirements and ensuring customer satisfaction by giving customer required products and service. How to achieve this quality? Quality is achieved by implementing an effective quality management system, and ISO 9001:2015 standard is internationally recognized, worldwide acceptable quality management system standard that ensures every activity of a business organization from design to delivery is planned, controlled, monitored, and continuously improved to meet customers and regulatory requirements. Why do you need ISO 9001 quality management system in your organization? If you want to improve product and service quality, you should implement ISO 9001. It enhances customer satisfaction. It reduces defects and rework. ISO 9001 strengthens process control and consistency. It boosts efficiency and reduces cost. It builds a strong organizational reputation. It helps win more tenders, customer orders, contracts, and increase business growth. It supports continual improvement culture. ISO 9001 comprises 10 clauses. Clause 1, scope. Clause 2, normative references. Clause 3, terms and definition. These three clauses are not auditable clause. Audit starts from clause 4. Clause 4 describes context of the organization. Every employee stakeholder should know the organization, its context, what the organization do, what is the products, what should be the requirements of the customers, what are the internal, external issues, interested parties. These are the sub-clauses discussed in clause 4. 4.1 discuss how to identify internal and external issues and analyze that issues negative and positive impact. 4.2 discuss about interested parties. Organization, employees, investors, shareholders should know what are the interested parties of the organizations and should identify the needs and expectations of those interested parties. For example, every organization, customers is the main interested parties, employees, shareholders, investors, local communities, government, regulatory bodies. These are the interested parties. Their needs and expectations should be clearly defined so that you are always care about. Quality management system scope. 4.3 discuss about scope. Organization should have defined the scope and boundaries. Clause 4.4 tells to identify all the business processes of the organization. For example, organization has human resource department, procurement department, production department, store department, distribution department, IT department, quality control department. These are the important processes organization should identify. should have a well-written standard operating procedure of all the processes, should have continuous improvement plan, should analyze the risk of every processes and identify how to mitigate the risk of these processes. Clause 5, leadership. Leadership and commitment. Without the commitment of the top management, organization, even if all the employees are skilled, experienced, organization cannot produce quality products. Leadership should ensure commitment to fulfill all the requirements. Clause 5.2 is quality policy. Organization should have a clearly written quality policy. That is, a quality policy must include a commitment from top management to produce quality products, customer required products, defect-free production, defect-free design, manufacturing, and continuous improvement plan. Clause 5.3 describes about roles and responsibilities. Every process should have clearly defined job description of all the positions and should have a well-written organogram. Job description includes roles, responsibility of all employees, experience and skill required, educational qualification required. These are the things job description should include. Clause 5, planning. Risk and opportunities. Clause 6, 6.1 discuss about the process risk. Organization should identify the risk, analyze those risks, analyze the impact of this risk, severity, likelihood, and show the risk analysis to the top management to mitigate this risk, to take action to mitigate those risks. Organization should clearly define quality objectives in all processes. For example, sales process objective can be sales growth should be increased 20% every year. If all staff should be given training, at least 20% staff should be given training in every year in respective field. KPI should be measured, key performance indicator, and analyze, and the results should be discussed with top management to improve. Planning of changes, if anything need to change at any time, this should be documented and approved by the top management. Clause 7, support. Top management should support the organization's quality goal or quality target to achieve the quality by providing resources, provide skilled, experienced manpower, infrastructure, and working environment. Manpower should be competent to do his job, should be given awareness and training. All the staff should be given quality policy, quality management system awareness, and respective job, respective training. Communication. Organization should have defined communication channel. Without this channel, no data, confidential data to be circulated easily or to anyone. Documented information, all the design data, MIS data is very confidential and it should be controlled without prior permission from the in charges. It should not be circulated or given to anyone and should not be easily available to everywhere. Clause 8, operation. Every process should have operational planning and control. Product and service requirements should be identified. Customers' orders should be reviewed by the sales department. Then the requirements should be placed to design department. Design department will design the product accordingly and place the design to the manufacturing floor to manufacture the products for customer required specification. 8.3, design and development. All the design and development data should be confidential and should be controlled. Control of suppliers. Procurement department will evaluate the suppliers to see their capability to supply quality raw materials, accessories. Project department will evaluate the contractors, vendors, and enlist the suppliers or contractors with proper approval from the top management. Production and service. All the operation, planning and control should be well documented and written clearly. Release of product. Before releasing the product or delivery the product to the customers, its quality check should be done at the final stage. Non-conforming outputs. If with lot of effort, even there are some products may be defective or non-conforming products. These products should not be amalgamated with good products, so it should be segregated in separate area and dispose accordingly. Clause 9 is performance evaluation. All the processes has key performance indicator. This key performance indicator should be well written and calculate in every regular interval, in every month or every 3 months. These KPI results should be discussed in management review meeting with top management and see the performance. If there is anything necessary, any support necessary from the top management to improve the performance, top management will ensure that. Internal audit. Every company should have management representative to look after the quality of and quality management system, and in management representative will carry out or conduct an internal audit in every 3 months or 6 months to see the quality performance, and the findings should be placed to the top management to discuss for further improvement. Clause 10, this is the final clause, improvement. See, quality management system standard ISO 9001:2015 is very organized. It has a very good clause, improvement at the end. Identify improvement opportunities. Every in charges will discuss with top management, their subordinates, how to improve the process, how to improve the performance, how to improve the product quality. To do that, there might be some defective products, so we should take corrective action to prevent recurrence of the same issues or same defective production. And final 10.3 is continual improvement that will enhance quality management system improvement continually. So this is the short ISO 9000 and 2015 standard, but there are so many documents I prepare for all the organizations I work. Quality manual, process manual, procedure manual, standard operating procedure, risk analysis, different human resource formats, project management checklist, quality checklist in raw material inspection, in process inspection, final product inspection for testing lab. So there are few documents, and I provide continuous training to develop process performance, to develop the staff or related personnel to ensure quality products production and quality service to the customers. Thank you very much. If you implement ISO 9000 and 2015, your quality will definitely improve, your product will be high quality, your brand image will be improved, your defect will be reduced, your production cost will be reduced because wastage will be reduced. So if you want, contact with me. I have provided my website at the top slide. Thank you very much.